Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy data visualization tools with Grafana, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy data visualization tools with Grafana, start by ensuring you have the necessary prerequisites in place. Install Docker on your system if you haven't done so already. Open your terminal or command prompt. Pull the latest Grafana image from Docker Hub by running the command docker pull grafana/grafana. Once the image is downloaded, create and run a new Grafana container with the command docker run dp3000:3000 grafana/grafana. This command will run Grafana in detached mode and map port 3000 on your local machine to port 3000 in the container. After the container is running, open your web browser. In the address bar, type http://localhost 3000 and press enter. You should see the Grafana login page. The default username and password are both admin. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to change your password for security purposes. After updating your password, you will land on the Grafana dashboard. To add a new data source, click on the gear icon on the left sidebar. Select data sources from the drop-down menu. Click the Add Data Source button. Choose the type of data source you want to use, such as Prometheus, InfluxDB, or MySQL. Fill in the required connection details for your selected data source. Click Save and Test to ensure Grafana can connect to the data source. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Now, navigate back to the dashboard by clicking on the Grafana icon in the top left. To create a new dashboard, click on the plus icon on the left sidebar. Select Dashboard from the menu. Click Add New Panel to begin creating your first visualization. In the panel settings, select your data source from the drop-down menu. Use the query editor to write a query that fetches the data you want to visualize. Choose the type of visualization you want from the options available, such as graph, table, or gauge. Customize your panel further by adjusting the titles, axis labels, and other settings. Once you're satisfied with your panel, click Apply to add it to your dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.